Oh, it forms a heart. I can't live without rice. So dinhi sila guys, di sila rice mo kagabi gilainan ko danog food sa iyang mama kay ilang pagkaon in the morning, mga unsa na mga egg rolls, bread, and gatas. And pili na ako kaya makauwi na.
Hopefully, I will get used to not eating rice in the morning, just bread.
I will use this glass from Boracay on our honeymoon. We bought this, and when I arrived here, he gave me this. I need to talk in English because it's so hard to type to edit a caption. And it's me who edit my video for you, 700,000 viewers. 700,000 subscribers. Thank you for my 700,000 subscribers. You say thank you, love?
Thank you.
I don't want to show my husband's face because he is allergic to video. But sometimes he cooperates and I love it. Can I taste this, love?
Which one you want?
This is tofu.
You eat egg roll 好了，还有一点点，这个还好
I'm
一
so
点点。
beautiful in the video.
一点点。
He wants me to taste, and if I can't finish, he will eat. That's why he eat it. Yeah. This is egg roll. This is a typical breakfast of a Chinese family. Bread, egg roll, bao. What's bao? Shu bao, han bao, and me. Rice is life. And he told his mama last night that I won't eat bread in the morning. Tastes good. There's meat and egg inside. Is this a meat, love? So, hello guys, magluto mi ni mama. Helper sa koron.
在吃什么？还没画。
So, every 4 p.m. magluto na yung mama niya. Karon gipatabang ko niya. She let me help her cook. So, I'm not used to cooking. So, medyo mga bata tayo. And I asked her if it's okay na mag-video ako kasi I have a YouTube channel and she said it's fine.
这个叫豆腐干。
豆腐干。Ito siya sikwa. Ngayon yung pagkangkay. Ito yung
是啊，是啊。
nagluto siya og sikwa. And baboy with radish.
收好就好。地方那么少。
好饿哎。
好饿哦，看医生啊！他都不去看医生啊。
哦。
We're almost done.
那有吗？不一样的菜啊，不一样的菜，人家吃你就知道。阿嬷说好棒棒，好棒棒，好棒，回去煮给阿嬷吃。台湾的给阿嬷吃。阿嬷说台湾的好吃。 对，就洗碗来，打过来。但是嘛，阿妈煮猪肉，她不敢吃。哦，她不敢吃是，她都放牛肉，对吧？她不要，因为肉不大，但是那个猪肉要身体不好。哦。啊，她放什么？煮这个她放什么？鸡肉，鸡肉来哦，可以呀，鸡肉也可以啊。
So it's already 5:20 on mauna niya mga luto.
我忘记分得清楚他有吃哪些呀？
哦，只要汤啊，只要少。
贵的。你吃不完对不对？And the meatball. 嗯？Only one. You want to take a ride? 你就 first 看你要不要 paper. If you want, I put it.
Tabang kayo. Sabaw. Very matabang.
麦克养啦，别人买啉呢，你要甲惊死啊！
太咩啊？
啊，是要
啊
这个咸啊，
？It's you said it's salty already. I know what you're talking about.
You say it, you say in Chinese.
It's not. It's really no taste.
说中文啊，
I don't know what to say.
没有味道。
没有味道。
有味道吗？
没有。
有啊，很难吃的味道，很难喝的味道。
No, you said taste bad.
I have.
She don't put salt there.
你没有放盐啊？
放太少，因为放先煮啊济，啊放共款。
That's it, guys. We're already full. We finished dinner at 6 and now it's still 6. We eat 5:50 and we finish 6 and 6:40. Nahuman akong panghugas. Oh, look at her. Like crazy.
I feel scared.
We're friends, right? Kish. Kiko po chud.
我的问题啊。
Look at her clothes. Oh, she really don't like. We're already friends for 2 days. You're still afraid of me.
You touch her slowly. She forget.
Oh, she forget. 你忘记. Oh my God! Look at her. She's shaking a lot. Shaking.
好爽。Just one. 这样了。Don't always afraid there. Give me.
You don't know her experience. Maybe she face some baby. 来扑her down，你在你后面，然后她就会走掉。你另一个手走开。
Come. Come to mama. Come on.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, beautiful girl. 然后跟他婆妈呢？
要睡觉吗？怎么可能？
干嘛？Are you okay?